Welcome the students of class 7. Welcome to our social science geography class. And in this geography class today I am going to discuss the main features of erosion of happened with sea waves. So what of sea waves? How did the sea waves make different landforms in different part of the world? We will learn today, and the names are given already. Number 1 sea caves, number 2 sea arches, number 3 stocks, number 4 sea cliffs, and number 5 sea beaches. Okay, so let's begin. That the erosion and the deposition of sea waves gives rise to coastal landforms. Okay, and different landforms formed in this way. Number 1, first one we'll discuss it one by one. Number 1, sea caves. What is sea caves? That seawater continuously strike over the rocks and created creeks, and over time they become larger, wider, and hollow caves formed. They formed larger, wider, and hollow caves, and they are called sea caves. Such as this is the seashore, and this is the cliffs. Okay. Okay, this is the cliffs. So what happened when these sea waves they struck on these stone walls? Actually, this type of deep hollow caves created. Okay, deep hollow caves created inside this portion. It is very much deep because of the sea waves again and again struck on the creeks, on the walls, and created this type of deep and hollow caves, and they are called sea caves. Example, there are a lot of sea caves there. New Lolium Beach in Goa. It is, and there was, we can see this type of sea caves, and other sea caves in the world, such as Matainaka Sea Cave. Okay, it is the world's most extensive sea caves situated in New Zealand. Matainaka Sea Caves. Okay, so these are sea caves. Now we are going to discuss the next one. It is the sea arches. It is the sea arches. What is sea arches? That sea arches are when this type of cliffs. Okay, when these caves, okay, due to enormous erosion, these caves, the wall of the caves, inside the caves, are broken because of the sea waves. Okay, sea waves struck inside this cave and struck the wall again and again, and due to the 1,000 years, these walls broken, and one type of arch-shaped landform created. So it is called sea arch. Okay, so sea arch seen in Andaman Island in India, and it is in the Neil Island situated in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this type of sea arches you can see. So I am trying to draw a sea arch. Okay. Okay, this is the waves. So in this way, this type of sea arches created when the wall is broken inside the caves and created this type of sea arches. In Neil Island in Andaman and Nicobar in India, we can see this type of sea arches. Okay, and in other parts like in Scotland and in other parts of the world, we can see this type of sea arches. Now next one, it is the stocks or stacks. What is stacks? That erosion breaks the roof. Then what happened? Erosion when break the roof. Okay, of the sea arches, and then the wall-like feature are called stacks. Example, Koh Tapu. Koh Tapu is a area present in Thailand in Phong Nga Bay. Okay, so in this bay in Thailand, Koh Tapu, we can see this type of landforms. What happened? This roof of the caves is broken, and this type of landforms created. This roof is broken in this way. This type of landforms created, and this type of wall-like landforms are called stacks. Okay, and all these things happened with the sea waves, erosion with the sea waves. Next one, it is, so you have understood what is stack. Next one, it is the sea cliff. What is sea cliff? So the steep rocky coastline raised almost vertically above the water is called sea cliff. So look at the board. So I have already drawn. Okay, so this is the mainland. Okay, so when this type of landform created inside the ocean or sea is very steep. You can see that these are very much steep slope is there. So this type of steep slope, okay, beside the coastline, it is called the sea cliff. Okay, and sea cliff can be seen in India, in Diu in Gujarat, okay, and in Varkala in Kerala. Another place, this is the Yarada in Andhra Pradesh, in the Bay of Bengal, and in the bank of Arabian Sea in Varkala, Kerala, and also in Diu in Gujarat. Okay, so you can see this type of steep landform, just in steep landform beside the ocean or sea. It is called the sea cliff. Okay, next one, it is the sea beaches. Next one, it is the sea beaches. What is sea beaches? That the sea waves deposit sediments. Okay, the sea waves deposits sediments. It also carries some pebbles, some sands with it. And when they deposit all these things in the seashore, and it's called the sea beaches. And there are a lot of sea beaches in India. Famous beaches are there, such as, and West Bengal also a lot of sea beaches like Digha, West Bengal, Mandarmani, Bokhali, Tajpur, etc. Lot of sea beaches. When the sea deposit, okay, all its material, it is the sea, its banks. Okay, then the sandy landforms created beside the sea, in the shore of the sea, it is called the beaches. Okay, hope you have understood these 5 landforms created by the sea waves. Next day we are going to discuss work of the ice. So thank you for watching. See you in the next class.